Reiki healing. It sounds mystical, doesn't it? But what if I told you it's a simple, gentle way to restore balance to your body and mind? Reiki is an ancient Japanese healing technique that uses energy to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and support your body's natural healing process. 2. What is Reiki? The word Reiki comes from two Japanese words, rei, meaning universal, and ki, meaning life energy. Reiki is based on the idea that energy flows through our bodies, and when this energy is blocked or unbalanced, it can lead to stress or even illness. Reiki practitioners use their hands to channel energy into your body, helping to unblock and balance your energy flow. And no, it's not magic. It's a holistic technique focused on your overall well-being. 3. How does Reiki work? A Reiki session is simple yet powerful. The practitioner places their hands near or lightly on your body, focusing on areas where energy imbalances may exist. You might feel a warm sensation, tingling, or just a sense of deep relaxation. It's not invasive, no needles, no medicines, just pure energy healing. 4. Benefits of Reiki. Relieve stress and promote relaxation. Help reduce physical pain like headaches or muscle tension. Boost your mood and emotional health. Improve your sleep quality. Support recovery from illness or injury. Reiki is even used in hospitals and wellness centers around the world to complement traditional treatments. 5. Is Reiki safe? Yes. Reiki is completely safe and non-invasive. It's suitable for everyone, from children to the elderly. You don't even need to believe in it for it to work. Just show up with an open mind and let the healing begin. 6. How to try Reiki. Curious to experience Reiki yourself? Start by finding a certified Reiki practitioner. Look for someone with good reviews and proper credentials. During your first session, wear comfortable clothes, relax, and let the practitioner guide you. Trust the process. You might be surprised at how refreshed you feel afterward. 7. Final thoughts. Reiki is more than just a therapy. It's a journey to better health and inner peace. If you're looking for a gentle, natural way to heal, give Reiki a try. It might just be the balance your body and mind have been seeking.